How to fix TikTok 4-digit code not received or not working. So if your TikTok's 4-digit code is not working or if you have not received it, then first of all you have to open up your settings, your phone settings. Then after opening, go for apps and notifications and then go for see all apps, and here you have to search for TikTok. Now you can go for notifications, which is on the first option, and here you have turned off all of your notifications, right? So you have to turn that on. After turning your notifications on, you will receive the code. And the another way is you can go back and then you can go for Play Store and make sure that your app is up to date. So if you don't have your app updated, then it might be a problem. So you have to search TikTok on your Play Store application, and then if you have an update instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your TikTok. After that, you can again go for the process of that 4-digit code and you will receive the code now. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.